I've got a problem. It's a problem that old creators share. We love creating all day, every day. I'm a creator and maker in my wood workshop here, where I make several DIY projects, as well as running my small business selling the products I make here. But one of the main parts of creating these days is getting to share your creation with everyone else out there. I'm here to show you what I believe is the perfect camera and camera jig for any pro creator out there. Check it out. The camera. What company to go with, what type of camera out there. There's a lot of options, but I decided to go with the Sony A7R Iii, which has literally changed the way I create, the way I document it, and the way I get to show it to you guys. Sony cares about creators. It can be seen in their attention to detail, their high-end quality, and their constant strive to make the best cameras out there. I needed a way to show off my creations, not only with pictures, but with videos as well. And that's how I ended up with the Sony A7R Iii. This thing is a beast at both taking pictures and provides some sweet high-end footage for videos like this. Getting this camera alone let me go from pictures like this to pictures that look like this. Now here's the thing, even though I've got much better video quality, I still need to be able to capture the shot. This is always a challenge for any creator out there, and it's one that I experience a lot here in the shop where a tripod just won't cut it. I've searched for solutions out there, and I found a DIY camera jig by Woby Designs that I'm now gonna build and show you why I believe this is the perfect camera jig to go with the perfect camera for creators.
This design makes it easy for anyone to make this camera jig. I start by using some spray adhesive to attach these templates to a 1/2 inch sheet of plywood, and I take this to my bandsaw to make quick work of cutting the pieces down to their rough shapes. I then take these cutouts to my belt sander, where I'm able to remove more material and fine tune the shapes to as close to the templates as possible. Then, I use my drill press to drill out all of the marked holes. Using a drill press here helps ensure that I'm cutting these as straight down as possible. Instead of sanding all the templates off, I use a heat gun here, which will leave less to clean up later. Now it's time to assemble. This is a really easy process. Mainly, we insert bolts from one end and add in washers between every 2 surfaces that will touch. For the main bracket, there's some extra pieces of wood that will form around this black iron pipe, which is going to hold the entire rig up. On the other end, we add threaded inserts for the bolts to attach to. Then, rinse and repeat across the entire design. I'm opting to attach my black pipe to a pipe clamp here, which will make it easy to attach the entire rig to my bench. At the end of this entire rig is an L-shaped piece, which we're going to drill a hole through and insert a screw and attach the camera mount to it.
I truly believe this is the perfect jig for any creator out there. I mean, check out this shot here. and this shot. And even capturing these memories in the shop. And if I was able to make this in the shop overnight with just a few tools, I know that you guys can too. Now, all that's left is to start creating. I hope you guys choose to subscribe below and follow us on our creator journey here at Makers as Friends. Thanks for watching. Peace.